Hey there, so in this video I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the Optinclick settings page. So as you can see here, we've got a really simple landing page. We've got the headline, we've got a button here, or an image that works as an Optinclick button, and we've got an Optinclick button itself, which brings up the Optinclick banner. So you might think that would be a challenge to create, but it's actually quite simple. This is really just an image, and this is a button that's generated by the plugin. And if we go over to the post page for this to see how easy it was to create, literally all we've done here in the WordPress dashboard, we've gone to the post editor or the page editor, and around this image we've uploaded the image through the media manager as usual, and just around it we've added the Optinclick shortcode. So because this one we didn't want it turned into a button automatically, we just wanted to use an image, we've put in the shortcode Optinclick and then button equals false. And then after the image we've wrapped it in a closing Optinclick shortcode. And then below that, to create the standard default Optinclick banner, we've put Optinclick shortcode and then tell me more with the Optinclick closing shortcode. And so again, that's just two Optinclick options, and then they have come through and translated as this big image, or it could be a banner that can be clicked on to bring up the Optinclick pop-up. And then there's the automatically generated button styling at the bottom. All we typed in was tell me more, and it created this Optinclick pop-up. And now all of this, of course, is driven. You might be thinking, how do you integrate that with your email marketing list? How do you actually get everything flowing through the system? And all of that is managed in your Optinclick settings page. And this is where you'll really create the beef of the plugin and get it hooked up into your service. So you select your email provider, put in your details, and again this will vary slightly depending on who your provider is. In my case I'm using ActiveCampaign, so I've put in these details, but all of this is documented fully on the Modern Entrepreneur site, on the Optinclick website, how to get set up. But most likely you'll just need to put in your list name, and maybe an ad tracking ID, so you can keep track of all the leads that are coming directly from Optinclick. Or if you're using if you want to just throw all of that away, don't worry about that and use a custom provider, then you can just paste in some HTML here from your provider. The default headline, so as you can see, when it actually pops up, there's the get priority access to Optinclick. That is powered by the Optinclick pop-up headline here, so you can put in your headline. You can put in the default headline, default submit text. Again, that's that submit text there. You can change the redirect URL, so when people have actually opted in, where are they taken to afterwards? By default, you can put that in here. You can upload an image directly for what goes to the left of your opt-in form, and then you can customize the default color of your buttons. And again, this pops up the HTML simple editor, so you don't need to know any special coding or things like that. You just select the colors that you want to use, and they will update throughout. And if you are an affiliate for Optinclick, you can also put in your affiliate link at the bottom here, so that this little powered by link goes straight through to your affiliate link. But you don't have to be an affiliate, you don't even have to have that powered by link. You can turn that off with the credit link here, and then when you're done, hit save changes. That's all how you would set up the standard. So you've got a default opt-in form like here, but if say you have your standard call to action, it is possible to customize it further on a case-by-case basis. So with this tell me more button at the bottom, if we want to add in a custom opt-in headline, if I just type in opt-in headline and put this is my custom headline, and then I update the page, it's just going to take a couple seconds here to update because of my internet connection, but then if I go back and refresh the page, what you'll see is Now when I click the Tell Me More button, it brings up the custom headlines. So all of that can be customized on a case-by-case basis. And now if I click on the image, because I didn't change that, that will still have the default get priority access to Optinclick. But with the Tell Me More, because I customized that, it's now got the custom headline. And you can do that for every button you have. So you can add an opt-in headline, or you can use the opt-in image tag. So if you wanted to change the image, you just type in opt-in image equals and then put the URL. You can also use a custom submit button. So opt-in submit equals and put a custom submit text. And finally, if you want to change the page that people are redirected to afterwards, you can put thank you equals and then put the URL of the custom thank you page that you want people to be taken to after clicking on your button. So there you have it. That's just a quick overview of all the different settings that you have available to you through the Optinclick plugin for WordPress. So I hope that's got your creative juices flowing, and that you get the opportunity to take advantage of some of these in your marketing soon. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, check out optinclick.com or themodernetrepreneur.com and find the Optinclick plugin for WordPress. Thank you.